Next topic is four signs leap before Jesus coming. Four signs leap before Jesus coming. So, four signs leap before Jesus coming. Alam mo ba ang mga signs? Una, increase wars and rumors of wars na makita sa Matthew 24 verse 6 to 7. Number 2, natural disasters and calamities na makita sa Matthew 24 verse 7. Number 3, increase in weakness and lawlessness na makita sa Matthew 24 verse 12. Brothers and sisters, next topic is there is no unity in Philippians. There is no unity in Philippians. So, walang unity sa Philippians, sa Pilipos. Actually, Philippians is all about unity. According to Philippians 2 verse 2, chapter 2 verse 2, maging isang isip at isang loob. Number 2 Bible verse, Philippians chapter 4 verse 2, magkiisa kayo sa Panginoon. The fountain of unity. So the fountain of unity, magtagalog lang ta, saan nagmula ang unity? According to John 17 verse 21, na sila ay maging isa tulad natin. Number 2, ang pagmamahal at pagkakaisa ng Trinity ang modelo. So unity in Christ, one in the Spirit, biblical unity, love one another. Thank you and God bless to all.